Hi, babes. I'm back with another video. Y'all want some? Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, I added Chestnut Hill to this. Chestnut Hill, Our Family, Argo, and Hearts Club. Mmm. I'm just getting off my night job. It's so cold out there, y'all. I said I gotta stop being rude, right? So let me get y'all some. Hurry up, I'll take it back. How it tastes. Mmm. 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 Y'all, I didn't want to post a video today, but I'm trying to stay consistent and give y'all a video every day. It's almost 11 o'clock. Y'all, I think I'm like 12 away from 500 subscribers. Y'all tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Get me there. You gotta make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. I'm gonna try to keep doing longer videos. I'm gonna go live with y'all. I'm gonna do longer videos. Y'all just give me a little time. Probably next week I'll go live. I'm just nervous. I'm nervous, y'all. Y'all, I've been having this container for like 2 years. That's my baby. Like y'all, my babes. Okay. I'm gonna take another bite, y'all. Then I'm out. I know y'all like them big spoonfuls. That's good enough, y'all. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. That's so good. I got a hair appointment tomorrow. So I'm excited about that. I'm almost done, y'all. It's so good. Bye, babes.